Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I'm going to be telling you about the ATPL ground classes that we conduct at Golden Epaulettes Aviation. As you can see, Golden Epaulettes Aviation is an outstanding pilot training academy for those who are looking for the transition from the right seat to the left seat, that is from the first officer to become a captain. We are located right over here and this is our contact details. Let me quickly take you through our achievements. We have 500 plus successful ATPL candidates, 98% have cleared in their first attempt. Also, we have the airline oriented sessions, online and offline classes with dedicated doubt clearing sessions. Also, we conduct assignments and tests which are available on our Golden Epaulettes Learning Management System, that is our portal, which will be given to you. You can access it and appear for the exams and learn furthermore from that. To take you through the topics that we would be covering in general navigation are basics of navigation, magnetism and compasses, maps and charts, mass and balance, flight planning and performance. Radio aids and instrumentation is something that we all break our head with, but don't worry, you are in safe hands. We will be teaching you radio aids, basic radar principles, satellite assisted navigation, flight instruments and gyroscopic instruments. Up next is Aviation Met. You will be taught the atmosphere, wind, clouds and fog, precipitation, air masses in front, thermodynamics, pressure systems, engine climatology, flight hazards and meteorological information. So this is all about the ATPL ground classes that we offer at Golden Epaulettes Aviation. In case you are someone who's looking to move from the right to the left, we will make your transition pretty smooth. For more such informative videos and updates, stay tuned to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation.